What's up guys, back with the video. Today we are playing Fortnite, you see. So let's press tab again. So here are my guns. We're good. Why did this game back here? No, I just fell again. Are you serious? Okay, here. I'm just gonna go slowly. Here, let's go. Finally. Yes, I could break it. And I just got out, guys. What is this? What does this do? What does this do, guys? Okay, one. We go to tab again. Alright. Drop everything. I know. No. Get it out. Okay, now I'm going to this. I'm going to weapons. Snipers. What should I get? There's so much in there. Good. I'm adding that to the chest. I'm adding this. No, this is... I want this, and that's 20. I want, oh my bad again. I want this. What? Okay, that's 35. Please. Let's press tab. Ooh, Avalama. Oh my god. Another one. Are you? Yo. What's up guys, back to the video. Today I will show you guys a hack. So see all these guns. Oh my god, look at these. Look at these guns. Look at them. I'm going to do 5. Look at them. Look, it actually shoots. Oh my god, it even has ammo for me. Thanks, dude. So this is how I did this, guys. So now it has 48. So this, look. So you press tab, and you go creative, and then you guys just go chest, create bomb. Just press it how much time you want, a lot. Just keep pressing it, guys. Once you do that, you just press play. After that, you hear a lot of those chests. Again, after that, just go here, just go front. Look how much llamas, like, I took all of these from the llamas, I promise. See, guys? In one llama, there's another llama. In another llama, there's another llama. I can't believe this. A llama in another llama? You see, guys? Oh my god. Look, I'm pressing E. I don't even know what to do. This is so much. How much llamas am I opening right now? Oh my god, you see it, guys? It's not even using your memory card. Look, it's coming out. So you see that? Oh, guns. How much guns? I want an RPG right now. Okay, wait. Okay, so let me go to tab. What gun you want is gonna give you that. So I'm gonna go to get these out. Get these out. Get these out. So I'm getting all of these out right now. Guys, you can watch them. I want an RPG. I want all of these right now. I want all of it. So, creative. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go to guns. Play, okay. I need, okay, but can't find it. I forgot, where is it? Creative. I think I'm gonna get that. Oh, here, weapons. So here, devices. Let's see what this is. I don't need those. I don't need those. Okay, I don't need that. No, okay, play. No. Weapons. I'm getting a weapons a lot. I need RPG. What are these? Oh, I need RPGs. Do you know what's RPG? Okay, here, I'm getting this. I need that a lot. So I'm getting the sniper. Bet for the sniper, okay. Wait, plus has 53. I'm getting this. It has 40. I'm getting this. Okay, I need other. Okay, this is what I mean. I'm getting this, an Infinity Blade. What? Okay, good. Now, go play. I'll press tab. Now once you do that, you keep pressing it. Oh no. I don't like what I hear. Oh my god. This is what you get, llama. Oh my god. Guys. You see all this? What is that? What is this? So guys, I hope you liked the video. Bye. So, okay. Bye. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe. Bye.